Today I'm gonna be showing you, it's just like a daily vlog basically. I'm just gonna be showing you how I go about my day. This morning I woke up at about 8:30-ish because Pixie wanted to come in and cuddle, so you saw that. And then I read my scriptures and journaled and made a to-do list of things that I want to get done today. Then I had breakfast and got ready for the gym, and I'm about to go to the gym, but I wanted to pop in and say hi before I go. I still have morning voice because I haven't talked literally at all yet, so please ignore that. But I'm just gonna go run on a treadmill for a little bit, and hopefully I had a rough night last night, and so hopefully that'll help me reset and reevaluate everything. I just got back from a trip yesterday, so I was driving all day yesterday, and then I couldn't sleep at all last night, and so I'm hoping that doing this day will just like help me reset and get back into the routine. Let's go to the gym. Just got done at the gym. I ran for about 20 minutes and I feel better. But now I'm gonna go to the car wash because like I said, I just got done with the trip and it was camping and I took my car, so it's very dirty and I need to clean it out. So I'm gonna go to the car wash. Let's go. Back from the gym and the car wash. Now it's time to take a shower. Here's the OOTD. These shorts are super comfortable. I got them from Walmart, and I want a pair in every color. I'm just saying, that's how comfy they are. So, and they're super cute. I have to change at like 2:30 because I have work. Okay, now I'm gonna do my makeup and get all pretty, so let's do that. Okay, finished. I'm all ready. Got my hair did and some braids. And I tried something new by putting more mascara on my bottom lashes. At first I thought I looked emo, but I kind of like it. Kind of like makes the blue in my eyes pop a little bit more. I wanted to show you guys something. So I was looking to see if my hair was even in the back. And I don't know if you can see it, but you see this red mark right here? That's my birthmark. So that's cool. I don't know if I've ever shown that to you guys, but there it is. If you can see it. It's just like this big, I think. So yeah, there's my birthmark. Now, I got to clean my room and vacuum it
It's not that dirty, but it hasn't been vacuumed in a while, so I need to do that. So let's go. Pixie. Hi. What's up, big girl? Big girl. It's not a big enough hole. You want some? Pixie! Oh my gosh. That was so funny. Holy crap. Okay. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets wreck where the bombs bursting in air gave proof through the night that our flag was still there.
I finished my chores. Now it's lunchtime, so I'm gonna have a cup of noodle. And I need to text my mom that we're out of these because this is the last one. And I love cup noodles. So, yeah. I didn't video my cup of noodle. But now I'm eating cauliflower. Because we're healthy. Okay. Basically, this whole day has been about resetting and basically just like refreshing my body and my mind. And I feel that having a clean space is very important, and basically just focusing on your mental health and your body's health as well. So working out, I run to clear my mind and to just think through things, and so that I was able to do that, and that's why I went to the gym. And then I came home and I cleaned my room and I cleaned the bathroom so that I have a clean space to live for the next few days, because when I'm in a mess, my brain feels like a mess, if that makes sense. And eating healthy helps your brain work better. And basically it's been nice because usually when I'm doing all this stuff, I'm either watching TV or listening to music or something, but since I had to record, it was nice to just be still and listen to my own thoughts instead, and just like kind of figure out where my head is at. And now that I've had time to gather my thoughts and everything, I'm gonna journal, which I also think is important when you want to reset. So I have my 2 journals that I'm gonna journal in, and I have about an hour until I have to leave for work, so I'm just gonna do that until it's time to go. So enjoy my journaling. Okay, now I'm all dressed for work, and I'm gonna call it for this video because my phone's almost dead and I need it for work, so I'm gonna call it. And thanks for keeping me able to use my brain today. Oh my gosh, I need a nap. I almost spelled my name wrong when I was journaling, which is just peak embarrassment. Definitely means that I'm lacking sleep, but it's fine. We're good. Anyways, I'm gonna go now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all later. Peace!